Hey guys, Tom here from HID Projectors. Let's go over the versatility of the 7-inch round design your own DIY kit. You can make this anything that you like. Got some of the cool options here that some customers choose. You can choose your own front angel eye. It's different colors. We've got switchback, we've got color changing, we've got just about everything in between. You could choose the rear angel eye to be different. You could choose the halo to be different. You can mix and match. Maybe you leave one out, maybe you bring the other one in. Then you could change your shroud type, your shroud color, change them custom, make them match your unique design, like this cool teal color, make them all blacked out or chrome if you want to look like they're unique or OEM. It's up to you. We can etch the lenses, put it in a cool logo, make it yours, right? These are the kind of things you can do. You can build them using our own housings here. These are all proprietary things that we've designed and we've developed to all go together with a phenomenal bi-LED projector, so you get exactly what you want, when you want it, how you want it. Think about that for a minute. You don't often get the ability to choose and get it your way. We're hand-built here in Buffalo, New York, building high-quality headlights that are going to perform phenomenally and look exactly how you want them, not how someone has decided that you should like them. Think about that for a minute. Get yourself a kit, or let us build them for you. Let's make something unique. Thanks for watching.